Hello guys, welcome to my channel Technology Sahayak. And today in this video showing are two common fixes Play Store download pending error. So let's get started. First check download and update system. For this, click on account avatar or 3 lines. Go to settings. Click on network preference. Click on app download preference. Here make sure that over any network is selected. After that click on auto update apps. And select don't auto update apps. Now go back, and again click on account avatar or 3 lines, click on manage apps and device. Click on update available. And check here to see if any app update is pending, like this. If it is pending, cancel it. After following these settings, you can check if the problem is solved. If the problem is not resolved, you will go to Apps in Play Store. Now press and hold it. Then enter the icon or app info. Now simply, clear the app storage. After that, go to Play Store, and try to install app. Guys, let me know in the comments box, whether the problem is resolved. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.